Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So basically the first one I created as of today, 27th of January. The first video was Man City versus Wolves reaction, and now this one is gonna be Bournemouth versus Liverpool. So let's get on with it. I'll make a combined reaction actually. Separate reaction. Sorry, for the Arsenal versus Man United game. So let's get on with it. Bournemouth versus Liverpool. This is match day, and as of yesterday, before the match happened, day before yesterday, before the match happened, the form of both teams. Let's start with that. Bournemouth are on a okayish set of form because they've had wins, they've had draws, and they've had losses. Now, when it comes to Liverpool, on the other hand, they've been, obviously Champions League they've been winning, but in the Premier League and then the other league, which is the FA Cup, I believe, they are having a mix of wins and draws and losses, almost similar to Bournemouth, but not as bad. I mean, quite bad actually, because in the Premier League, like they lost this match against Bournemouth. Then in the previous to this match, they lost drew against another team. Sorry. So yeah, a lot of form is being lost for Liverpool right now, and if they want to be serious for the title, I mean, nothing much to say apart from that. Like, all they need to do is just need to focus on their games, their next games, get the W, get the 3 points, and close the gap to reach the likes of Chelsea, Man United now in the top 4, Man City, Aston Villa, and obviously Arsenal. Going for the title is going to be difficult now for Liverpool. I mean, considering what they're looking at in terms of, I mean, apart from form, the players also have been doing okay, and they're doing decent. I mean, only Hugo Ekitike, Dominic Szoboszlai, Gravenberg, and 2 others are doing very well. Meanwhile, the rest are remaining and lost. So yeah, Liverpool need to up their game definitely. And now when it comes to Bournemouth, had a brilliant game. It was a last-minute winner. So 3-2 was the final scoreline. Bournemouth 3, Liverpool 2. One was from a free kick set piece, and one was a normal goal. And Bournemouth scored a brilliant 95th minute winner. So yeah, absolutely good goal, good W for Bournemouth. And kudos to them. As I said, for Liverpool, they need to focus on winning the remaining games of this season, including FA Cup now, which will be the next draw, and then obviously the UCL as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Nothing much to say, but apart from that, yeah, very entertaining game. Bournemouth deserved the win. They were the better team. Obviously, there are players like Petrovic, Adam Christie, Hill Brooks, Evan Nilsson, and many others. So yeah, absolutely great win for them. Kudos to them. They are looking for European football next season, similar to the other clubs, Sunderland and Sunderland and Brighton. So that's about it.